job.
It's from Granny. It's from Granny in South Africa. What's in there?
Dad! Mommy's done a bad job opening it. Here you go. Look at this. Wow, that's nice. That is nice.
Thank you, Granny. Thank you, Granny, for a nice present.
Thank you.
Oh, you stuck up your nose. He really likes the gift wrapping. Thank you. Love you, Mommy. Bye.
Treat Adam.